Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and having a nice time. I'm late in releasing this video and you know the reason why. But finally the video is here and I have edited it. And I didn't shoot this video with my primary phone that I generally do. I was shooting this with OnePlus 7T Pro as my friend had that phone with him. I was shooting with his phone. I hope you like the picture quality and the video quality. So without further delay, let's quickly get into the video and I will meet you guys on the other side of the video আর তখন বাকি বকবকটা হবে। So পুরো ভিডিওটা লাস্ট অবধি দেখো আর তোমাদের সাথে after this video কথা হচ্ছে। So পুরো ভিডিওটা দেখতে থাকো। Oh, we have finally reached and this is Uno Chicago and this is the place. First let me show you the exterior. This is really pretty. I really like the structure and the building. Kobe, beautiful dekhte. So first let me give you a tour of the exterior and then I will take you inside. And they have decorated it for the Christmas time. They have some offers running as well. So yes, there's meal for 2, meal for 4. Let's quickly get inside and show you the place. Okay, I have come here with my friends. So you're going to get to see them as well in this vlog today. This is the ground floor seating area. It has an open bar and it has an open kitchen. So if you're sitting here, you can see the chefs working in the kitchen. I really like the interior. It's really pleasant and beautifully decorated. And that is the kitchen. Okay, I just had a talk with the person who allocated our seat that I want to sit outside, but I don't think so that will be possible as it is totally crowded. Yeah, that's what they said. But let me go outside and film for a bit and show you. Yeah, this is the outdoor sitting area. It's really pretty. They also serve hookah. So if you're sitting outside, you can order hookah. But as you can see, it is totally packed. Yeah, but I did get to hear from my friend that we could go upstairs. That's on the second floor. So let me take you on the second floor with me. And I hope that the sitting area is better. It's also my first time as well. So আমিও জানি না কেমন দেখতে হবে because আমি বাইরে বসতে চাইছিলাম, জায়গা নেই, তো ওরা বললো they can upgrade us. Let's see কি হয়. Wow, yes, I really love this. It's pretty. Okay, they also have a bar set up out here. Yes, that is the bar. And there is, okay, nobody wants to sit in the balcony. Nobody. So this is the second floor and this is the second floor sitting area. Oi dikte jeta dekhcho, that's a small balcony. That is the smoking area. And there is another balcony where you can actually sit. It's a bigger balcony. You can order hookah and sit out there. It's really pretty. So we'll be sitting inside indoors and I will give you a tour of the smoking area as well. So if you want to smoke, you can come here and smoke and I will give you a quick view of the menu. So here is the menu. Let me give you a quick look at the menu and then I will show you all the food and drinks I ordered today, from appetizers to pizza, from pasta, dessert, salad, they have it all. And let me tell you, they also have some amazing offers if you have Zomato Gold. So this is the menu. So keep watching the video. I will be placing my order pretty soon. So as you can see, my friends are busy deciding what they should order for the main course. But we have already placed our order for the drinks. And these two will be drinking rum and we both have decided to drink beer. I will be drinking Simba today, as you can see, and my boyfriend has ordered for Hoegaarden beer. Hoegaarden is a white wheat beer and I heard it tastes really good. So I am going to be taking a sip from his beer, provided he allows that. But let's see what happens. So let me show you how Hoegaarden actually looks. So while he's pouring, let me make a quick video and let me show you. Yeah, this is how the white beer looks. Wow, this does look good. The color, the smell is so good, guys. I wish you could smell it. As I keep telling you, the downside of the video or the vlog is you cannot smell the food. I regret ordering Simba, but okay, I love Simba too, so no problem there. I'm not going to get it, but I'm going to be taking a sip from it. So the first food that you see is herb rub chicken. It is served with mashed potato and veggies. This looks tempting as well. And the second food that you see out here is grilled lemon basil salmon. Okay, so now I will show you. Hi guys, look at them. So I came out here with my besties today, and I will be quickly tasting the food. I will also taste their food and my food as well. Hi guys, okay, finally first day Simba try করতে চলেছে. So let's take a sip and tell you how it tastes. Simba tastes good. একটু মিষ্টি comparative to other beer. তোমরা এটা try করতে পারো. I like it. And now I'm going to have this chicken. Let's have this. Oh. তাহলে আমি ভুল নিয়েছি, আমি এটা থেকে নিয়েছি। আমার এটা ওরটা mashed potato দিয়ে সার্ভ করে। তো বুঝতেই পারছো আজকে আমি এখানে আমার ফ্রেন্ডদের সাথে এসেছি। It was a very nice experience. This is what I was happy from Priya's Plate and Shivaji. And that is very special someone. But him, he's not interested. He's never interested. But আমি যে ডিশটা অর্ডার করেছি এখনও সার্ভ করি ডিশ পিৎজা আজকে আমি তোমাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছি। So my deep dish pizza has finally come, and the name of this one is Prima Pepperoni Deep Dish Pizza, and this is a personal size, or as they call a small size that serves 1 to 2 people. And for me this is big enough. This is just look at the cheese pull guys. First look at the cheese pull. This looks so yummy. And this has pepperonis on top of it, and it's stuffed with cheese and tomato. And this is how the one slice looks actually, and this is how the pizza looks, and this is the pepperoni. And wow, this looks so yummy. I just can't wait to try this. This looks so very delicious. I'm just going to be trying it and telling you how this actually tastes. I could show you the cheese. This is how the deep dish pizza looks. Shobe serve করেছে. So it's a directly covered with pepperoni. দেখতে পাচ্ছো আমি এটাকে জানি চামচ কাটা চামচ দিয়ে খেতে নেই, বাট এত গরম আমি এটাকে ধরতে পারছি না। So it has a really good cheese pull to it. Just look at the cheese pull guys. We just tasting. It is good. Then we have the pepperoni. Crispy pepperoni. Cheese looks tempting. Something else you love. জন্য প্লেট থেকে সাবুনটা নিয়ে খেয়ে এরকম বলছি কেমন খেতে। সাবুনটি ইজ গুড অ্যাজ ওয়েল। অল উই অর্ডার টুডে। তোমার যদি এই ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে কমেন্ট সেকশনে গিয়ে জানিও। আর লাস্টে যদি ডেজার্ট অর্ডার করি সেটাও তোমাদেরকে দেখাবো। Keep watching this video and have a nice day, guys. Have a nice. These are the desserts, and this is the ice cream sundae. Wow, this looks really good. It's topped with chocolate sauce, and this is Uno deep dish sundae. Oh my god, these two look so yummy. I just can't wait to dive in and try both the desserts. But this is the one I'm really excited to try. So let's quickly go and try the desserts and tell you how the desserts taste. So, hello, এবার আমি ডেজার্টটা খাবো। ওদেরকে বলি how it tastes. কুকিজ, বিশাল বড় একটা কুকি, সেটা কিন্তু হট, তো বি ভেরি কেয়ারফুল when you're having this. So this cookie, and I will take a bit of the ice cream. Yep. And let's have it. Yeah. The taste is really good. I liked it. Hey guys, so Asha Kori, you guys did watch the entire video because you have reached to the last part. So first let me tell you, I didn't shoot this with my primary phone. I was shooting it with my friend's phone, that is a OnePlus 7T Pro, and I did like the video quality of this phone. I did take some still shots in that low light condition as well. It did turn out to be amazing, and the portrait mode in that phone is very good. And firstly, this is not a OnePlus sponsored video. আমি জানি না কারণ আমি OnePlus এর features বলতে শুরু করে দিয়েছি, but I enjoyed shooting with his phone. So overall, I enjoyed the place. I loved the food, and I loved the deep dish Chicago pizza. তো তোমাদের এই এন্টায়ার ভিডিওটা কেমন লেগেছে সেটা আমাকে অবশ্যই কমেন্ট সেকশনে লিখে জানিও। And you guys can follow me on Instagram. The links will be there in the description below. If you want, you can also follow me and my page on Facebook. The links will be there in the description below. Until then, keep clicking with your soul and have a nice time, guys. Ta-da! Bye-bye!